Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that explores the vast expanse of space and the latest developments in the industry. As we gaze up at the night sky, wondering what lies beyond our planet, the space industry is working tirelessly to push the boundaries of exploration and innovation. But as we've seen time and time again, the journey to the stars is not without its challenges. Recently, the space community was shocked by the catastrophic explosion of the New Glenn rocket in late May. This incident has raised questions about the readiness of the big rockets NASA desperately needs for its ambitious plans, including the Artemis 4 mission to land humans on the moon. Blue Origin and SpaceX are both building landers to support this goal, but the timeline for their development is uncertain. During a live discussion with space industry experts, Eric Berger, Caleb Henry, and Anthony Colangelo, the panelists expressed skepticism about Blue Origin's ability to meet its target date for the debut of its new rocket, the 9x4 variant. With the destruction of Launch Complex 36A, it's unclear when the company will be able to recover and get back on track. As Caleb Henry noted, "I have not seen anyone put out a date for a new rocket and actually hit it." This sentiment was echoed by Colangelo, who suggested that the development of the 9x4 variant could slip into the 2030s. So, how will NASA get its astronauts to the moon this decade? The answer may lie with SpaceX's Starship, which has already demonstrated its ability to scale up launch cadence quickly. As we ponder the complexities of space travel and the challenges faced by these industry giants, we're reminded that the journey to the stars is a long and winding road. But with determination and innovation, we'll get there eventually. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty and wonder that surrounds us. In celebration of the 250th birthday of the United States, NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory has unveiled 4 cosmic images rendered in red, white, and blue, representing the awe-inspiring universe that NASA explores. Imagine being able to see the universe in a whole new light, with vibrant colors and patterns that dance across the cosmos like fireworks on a celestial scale. That's exactly what these stunning images offer, showcasing the incredible diversity of astronomical objects that exist beyond our planet. From the supernova, Cassiopeia A, with its expansive blast wave of elements like calcium, iron, and oxygen, to the massive star cluster inside the nebula, NGC 3603, these images are a testament to the breathtaking beauty of the universe. But it's not just about visualizing the cosmos. NASA has also produced new sonifications, transforming astronomical information into ethereal soundscapes that transport us to another world. The sounds of neutron stars and stellar mass black holes are mapped to a glass marimba, while piano notes serve as stand-ins for objects depending on their brightness in the nebula. NGC 3603. It's an immersive experience that invites us to explore the universe with all our senses. As we marvel at these cosmic wonders, let's remember that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. The starburst ring in the Messier 94 spiral galaxy, for example, is home to new stars and offers a glimpse into the dynamic processes that shape the cosmos. By exploring the universe and pushing the boundaries of our knowledge, we're not only expanding our understanding of the world around us, but also inspiring future generations to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So let's keep looking up at the stars, wondering about the secrets they hold, and striving to make new discoveries that will take us farther than we ever thought possible. Welcome back to Star Chat. We've got one more exciting story to share with you before we wrap up today's episode. You might recall that earlier this year, NASA made history with its Artemis 2 mission, but that's not the only thing the space agency has been up to lately. Recently, a group of students got the chance to take their learning to new heights, literally, as part of NASA's Student Airborne Research Program, or SARP. From June 3rd to 13, aircraft at Ellington Field in Houston gave these students a first-hand look at how scientists study Earth from the air. They learned about airborne field campaigns that collect data used in atmospheric science, ecology, air quality research, and climate modeling. This year's activity was particularly special because it took place alongside an air quality campaign led by NOAA, giving students a unique opportunity to see how federal agencies work together to study our planet's atmosphere. The students attended daily lectures, took coding classes, worked with instrument teams, and even used campaign data and NASA's extensive archive to design, implement, and present their own independent research projects. They also got to work with NASA's subject matter experts, gaining exposure to a range of career paths in airborne science. The operations involved several aircraft, including NASA's Gulfstream 5, Gulfstream C-20A, and Gulfstream 3, as well as NOAA's WP-3D Orion. These planes carried instruments that support atmospheric science and ecology research, such as the Airborne Visible Infrared Imaging Spectrometer, which characterizes Earth's surface and atmosphere. This hands-on experience is exactly what inspires the next generation of scientists and engineers, and we can't wait to see what these students achieve in their future careers. It's stories like these that remind us of the importance of exploration and discovery, not just in space, but also here on our own planet. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.